Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install a smart keyless protector right inside your BMW key fob. Before we jump in, here is the list of BMW models that follow this exact same installation process. The 5, 7, and 8 series, and the X5, X6, X7, and XM. Alright, let's get into the installation. First, we need to open up the key fob. Go ahead and remove the lighter colored side panel, slip out the mechanical emergency key, and right here you'll see this plastic piece. That's our battery tray. Pull it out and remove the original battery. Now our kit actually comes with 2 replacement batteries. You'll notice they're slightly thinner than the stock one, and that's on purpose. It gives us just enough room to fit the smart keyless protector chip perfectly inside. Next, wrap the chip around the battery just like this. Once the electrical contact is made between the chip and the battery, you're going to see a flashing red LED light. That means the chip is powered up and working. Now, let's slide the tray back into the key fob, snap everything back together, and that's it. The installation is complete. So, how does this thing actually work? Once you set your key down and leave it completely still, after 3 minutes, the smart keyless protector automatically shuts down the keyless system inside the fob. This means absolutely no signals are being broadcasted, completely shielding your car from any relay attacks or signal hacking. But the moment you pick up your keys or move them, the chip deactivates instantly, and your key fob goes right back to working normally.